Lemmy, what are you doing with so many stones?
Oh, hi. I am playing, but also learning division.
Division with stones? How?
Come here and let me show you. Look, I have 20 pebbles. Now let's share them into 4 equal groups.
Like sharing snacks with 4 friends?
Exactly. Let's start. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, each group has?
Count 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So 20 divided by 4 is 5.
Oh, that's easy.
Now you try one.
Me? Okay.
Divide 20 pebbles into 5 groups.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So the answer is
20 divided by 5 is equal to 4.
See, you're learning. Don't worry, you can do this. Divide 20 by 2.
Another group of 2, another group of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Each group has 10.
Exactly. 20 divided by 2 is 10.
I never knew we could learn division with stones.
Yes, we can use many things from real life. Pebbles, beans, bangles.
So math is everywhere?
Everywhere.
Even in daily life, we can learn maths easily. Thank you, Lemmy.
Anytime. Now let's go to play.
Bye.
Bye.